In this video, I'll show you how to get more followers on Instagram in 2026. The most important thing right now is Reels. Reels reach more new people than any other format on Instagram. Make sure your first 3 to 5 seconds have a strong hook that stops people from scrolling. Use trending audio to give your Reels an extra boost in visibility. Focus on posting content that educates, entertains, or inspires. If your content gives people a reason to follow you, they will. Always end your captions or videos with a call to action, like follow for more tips or follow to see part 2. Post consistently. If you are a new account, try to post at least once a day. The more active you are, the more Instagram will push your content to new people. Reply to your comments and DMs quickly. This builds a strong community around your page and tells the algorithm that your content is worth showing to more people. Go into other popular accounts in your niche and leave genuine comments. This puts your name in front of their audience and can bring new followers back to your page. Use relevant keywords in your bio and captions. Instagram now works more like a search engine, so using the right words helps new people discover your account. Run a giveaway and ask people to follow your account and tag a friend to enter. This is one of the fastest ways to grow your follower count quickly. That is how you do it.